It's hard to believe it's been 15 years since Juiced Bike started its journey. From humble beginnings of importing batteries to becoming a leading force in the e-bike industry, it's truly been a wild ride. But today, as we stand here not just as a company with a rich history, we stand as pioneers of the next generation of electric mobility. Introducing the JetCurrent Pro Folding E-Bike, the culmination of everything we've learned, everything we've dreamed, and everything we've worked tirelessly for. What sets the JetCurrent Pro apart isn't just its cutting-edge technology or its stunning design. It's the freedom it offers. The freedom to navigate streets with ease. The freedom to explore new horizons without limits. And the freedom to do it all with style and power. Today marks the beginning of a new era in urban mobility. With the JetCurrent Pro, we're not just changing the way we get from point A to point B. We're changing the way we live, work, and play in our cities. Let's embrace the future together. Let's ride toward a world where innovation knows no bounds and where the journey is just as exciting as the destination.